Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming eligibility. This saves wasted trips. Check that your caste appears on the recognized list and that you have Bihar domicile proof. If not, get it. Next, gather core ID like Aadhaar and one proof of age, plus 2 passport photos. Once done, visit the local ward office or Gram Panchayat, download the application form beforehand or ask for a physical copy at the counter, and fill basic sections now so you're ready for verification. You now carefully fill the form. Write names exactly as an Aadhaar, include parents' caste details and 5-year residence history to prevent queries. Make self-attested copies of every document, Aadhaar, school or birth certificate, voter's ID, and attach 2 photos. If ancestry proof is weak, prepare an affidavit from a gazetted officer. Once assembled, submit at the designated counter, DM office, Tehsil, or Mukhia, collect the official receipt, and you finish by tracking the application with the receipt number. If the portal shows completion, go to collect the certificate or request postal delivery. Make sure the name, caste, and address are correct. Errors are fixable but cost time. If your application is rejected, read the remarks carefully, obtain the missing documents or a community verification letter, and resubmit. Alternatively, seek a caste gazette extract if local proof is insufficient. Keep copies and note the issuing stamp for future use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.